Hello, today I will show you how to access the secret test menu on your Samsung Galaxy M10. First, unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now go into phone and select the keypad. And now go with the secret code *0*# and the secret menu will appear all by itself. Now you can do a few different things here, like you can make the entire screen red, green or blue to check if the screen has any dead pixels. You can check the receiver and you can also check the vibration feature of the phone, the mega cam, the sensor, if the proximity and accelerometer work like they should. And let me access the menu maybe once again. Okay, we can also test the touch menu. It allows you to draw everywhere you want and see if the phone sees everything correctly. And if you are in this menu and want to go out, simply press the volume up button. You can also test the speaker. You can check the sub key, the front camera, and also make the screen simply all black. Of course, if you want to leave any of this, you can press the volume up key. And if you want to go out of this mode, simply press the back key 2 times. And just like that, we're back to the main menu. I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.